Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, this is not my usual setup. The world's kind of crazy right now. So we actually flew to Florida to quarantine ourselves here with my family. So that's been nice, just being able to spend time with my family here in Florida. So the next couple of videos may look a little different just because I don't have my normal setup, but I still wanted to try to create some content for you guys. I'm actually really excited for today's video. I went thrift shopping maybe like a week ago and I found a couple home decor pieces that I just want to spruce up just a little bit, but I think it'll make a big difference to them. So I'm going to do a couple thrift flips home decor for you guys today. The style of video will probably be a little different from my normal ones. I'll probably do it more like vlog style if that's okay, just because I don't have my normal setup. So I'm just gonna kind of take you through my thought process and how I do these projects like start to end. Okay, so I brought them with me so I could do this project. So here's the first one, which is amazing that this was at the thrift store. This like wrapped rattan vases is like a big thing right now. So yeah, I paid like $2 for this. So the main part I loved was this wrapped rattan. I think that's super cool. But the inside is just like this clear, basic glass vase, and as you can see, it's like super dirty and just like not cute. So I'm thinking that this would look a lot cuter in the wrapped rattan if this kind of looked like stoneware. I love the look of that, like make it kind of look like it's handmade pottery. So that's the goal with this. I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit and then make it look like a stoneware piece. And I'm excited to do this project because I feel like something like this is so easy to find at a thrift store, or maybe you already have something like this in your house that you don't like love and you don't use, so it's just like up in a cabinet, but it's super easy to make this look completely different. And then the second piece that I'm going to do, I found this like terracotta, I think it hangs on the wall and you can put like anything you want in it, but I'll probably put like some fresh cut flowers or some dried grasses or just something in this for the wall. I think that would be super cute. So yeah, this was $2 as well, and I just love the terracotta, but it is kind of plain. So I brought my clay letter mold and some of my polymer clays, and we're gonna try to spruce this simple terracotta pot or like hanging planter thing up a little bit. Quick trip to Home Depot. Okay, so this is the one that I'm thinking of getting. It's in the color Caribbean Sand, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a textured spray paint. So I feel like hopefully this will make it look like it's actual stoneware. It has like little flecks of different colors in it. Wow, it's so hot here. I've been outside for like 2 seconds and I'm already sweating. But we got the spray paint. I'm actually super excited about it. I hope it works well because I think that it will look just like stoneware. I don't know if this is a better angle, but you can kind of see how it's textured. So it's like cream with little gray specks in it. I think this will look so pretty with the rattan wrapped around it. So hopefully this works. Okay, I am back now. I'm just going to wash this out completely, the outside and the inside, just so the outside's just like a totally nice, smooth surface for me to spray paint on. And I just want to kind of clean out the inside too, so it's not so grimy in there. Okay, here it is. It already looks so much better, but now we're gonna go spray paint it. Okay, here's my little setup. I just have a cardboard box that I'm gonna spray paint this in. So here's the before shot, and hopefully this works. This Florida sun should dry it in no time. Okay, I took a little swim break while it was drying, but it's done. And it looks so good. Look at that. That totally looks like stoneware. I think I'm gonna take a little like fine piece of sandpaper and just gently go over it to get like the little bumps of paint like at the bottom that kind of stuck to it. But other than that, I'm obsessed. I think it looks so good. Totally transformed it. Okay, so we're going to take this and just put it back in its little rattan case. And that looks so cute. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I love it. I think this would look so cute with like pampas grass coming out of it. So yeah, super happy how this one turned out. Also, hi little lizards. You see that one?
And
Hey, can you show everyone what's on your arm? Is that, did Grandpa put a Kylo Ren tattoo on your arm?
yeah.
Yeah, that's super cool, huh? I work for like 1 hour and I come back out and she has a Kylo Ren tattoo on her arm. Okay, so here's my little setup for this guy. I have this out and my different clays. I was thinking of maybe putting like in letters, fresh cut flowers. That could be cute. I don't know. Or I might try to do like kind of like a sunburst effect on this. We'll see. Maybe I'll try to do the sunburst first, and if I don't like it, I'll do plan B. But I'm gonna try to make this look a little cuter. Okay, so here's my sun. Okay, so here's how it's looking right now. I'm thinking, I just looked it up and I think I can actually put this in the oven too. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put the outline already on here so that when it bakes, everything's just already attached to this, and then I can go in and glue it down if I need to. But yeah, so far I like it. So you gotta keep going with all our sunbursts. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this whole thing in the oven to bake the clay, I think. Quick little update, it's looking good. Okay, here is the final look. I think it turned out so cute, just like a big, huge sunburst effect on this little planter. And now I'm just going to put this in the oven for like, I don't know, 20 minutes, 15 minutes at 275, and hopefully it bakes well. Okay, so here's the final product. I think it turned out so fun. Like, just imagine this is hanging up on a wall like this with some flowers out of it or something. I don't know. I think, oh, I love it. I think it turned out so fun. Here's one last shot of the two little projects. Okay, so that is it from me today. Kind of a different feel for my videos. Hopefully you don't mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what things you are doing to pass the time if you are choosing to kind of self-quarantine, social distancing. Yeah, give me all your suggestions of things that you have been doing lately. I'll try to post a few more videos while I'm here, so I will see you guys soon with the next video. Bye.